Hello guys, this is your take home kusinero at your service po. Gagawa po tayo ngayon ng ating sofast so good, okay? But before we start this video, please follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, just like that, and follow this page and follow this Facebook account. First, we boil our water in a separate pot, just like that. Then at a separate pot, we add garlic, onions, like that, turn it to golden brown, then add our butter and melt it, then add our protein, any kind of protein will do, our red bell pepper, our leftover sausages, any kind of leftover sausages will do, and then our fish sauce, our pepper, our sugar, and hala, MSG na naman. Then put it on our boiling pot, just like that. Then add 1 chicken cubes and 1 evaporated can of milk. And we prepare our veggies while cooking our noodles. Please let the noodles be al dente, okay? Don't overcook it, so that it's more delicious and it's more fun in the Philippines. And when it's cooked, put on your noodles, just like that, okay?